Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. This is another video about the cameras because I got another great gear for video making. And this is unboxing, right? I just got this, so I'm super excited. By the way, how you call somebody who loves to buy a lot of camera gear? I don't know, is it videoholic, cameraholic, or how you call someone who constantly buys new gear, plays with it, and then buys another. I love cameras, I love to make good videos. I have many video channels, YouTube channels, right? And this is another great camcorder from Sony. So it's a FDR-AX33. This video is actually being filmed by the Canon 60 Mark II and 24-105 STM lens, which I love greatly. It creates a really high-end video, but check out that one problem with Canon gear. The minimum focusing distance is really bad. You can't get anything close to this gear. This should be completely different with the Sony camcorders. They say the minimum focusing distance is only 1 centimeter, so that's really close. What do you say about this? The balanced optical steady shot, right? This has that kind of gimbal inside, which really makes this really steady video. I can't wait to start filming with it and show you also the footage out of it. Surprisingly, it comes with the better battery, right? The basic is NP F50. This one comes with NP FV70, so it will have a little bit better lifespan. With that I mean the camera, the operation will last a little bit longer, right, than with that very basic F50. So what is here? Some Sony stuff. This is in very beginning. So these are accessories, possible accessories, chargers and so on for the camcorder. Here comes the brochure, video camera. What is it, Spanish? Why is it freaking Spanish and not in English? Go figure. Here is consumer warranty card from Sony. Movie maker information, that balance optical steady shot info, right? What is this? 50% off your next purchase, register, additional microphones, warranty card. So it's a lot of paperwork here, definitely. Again, some coupon for discounts. Okay, that's not so important. Here everything is in the English for US customers only. Huh, interesting. So what we see here finally. So here comes the battery in that small bag, and sure enough, yeah, it's the smart one which will communicate with the camera, right? It will tell you how much is remaining of the power in it. Lithium ion, and it is that FV70. So this is perfect. We'll put it on the side. These camcorders, they don't come with the charger. You only get this cable, right, and this brick. And basically what do, you hook these two pieces together. Excuse me for this. So you see this, you put it together. This goes into the outlet in the wall, and you charge with this device directly in the camera, right? So this this connector goes in the camcorder. I will show it later. So what else is here? Here is apparently, you see that that focus, it's a problem for that Canon. So mini HDMI with the big normal HDMI cable, right? Here will be probably some extension for USB charging, right? That's a USB cord. And here finally the last piece, I believe, is the camcorder only. So let's see, it's in this special paper. Boom! Here is the baby, the 4K miracle. Wow! There's no battery, so this is the lens cover, right? This is how it looks like. Boom! Very interesting. This one has obviously only one memory card slot right there. So here you can see it in the detail, right? It's pretty heavy. You will think these little camcorders are super light and plasticky feeling. This one actually has a nice weight to it even without a battery. Once again, this is the camera side, right? Here is the strap with integrated USB cable for, I guess, more charging or the transfer of the data. Here is that special shoe. You can connect the Sony, right, original Sony stuff to it, and it will communicate with the camcorder. I keep trying to say camera, but it's a camcorder. Here is the surround system, the double microphone, stereo microphones, right? The viewfinder, OLED route, OLED viewfinder. Here comes the 3-inch screen. So let's put battery in it and see how it works. Here we go. It should be easy to put it in, right? From the underneath. Click. And I believe it will power by opening the door. Sure enough, handycam, and here you go. You can see immediately, right? It's taking a picture. This is wonderful. I love it. Obviously this goes to 70, right? So articulated. It can go on the side like this. It's amazing. This is amazing what Sony was able to create for us in such a small package. 4K, wow. In small camcorder like this for this little bit of money. That's absolutely incredible to me. So you can take a pictures, even write photo. Here you can see the power is shown. Here it's the charging port where you will be putting that cable which will be charging the camera, right, directly there, DC in. Here is microphone, headphones, and that mini HDMI sliding like that. Here's just logos. And finally you can see that, oh, I'm sorry, that was not really smart, it was just in my way. You can see the lens moving nicely in it, right? It's like on a little gimbal. It keeps nicely trying to be steady. So this one has 10 times optical, which can be digitally made 20 times, right? Look at yourself actually, right? Boom, right here. Well, very interesting. That was just unboxing, right? Here is another HDMI, all these night shots and so on. That will be a part of different video. But as an unboxing, I want to show you what is basically in the box, what is included when you buy this camcorder. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. I will make some footage, take some footage with it, and I will show you definitely how good this camcorder is. And just for a quick comparison, I powered up this Sony camera in exactly same setting and same situation, right? as we were using this Canon 6D Mark II with that 24-105. So this lens is 29 wide, and you can have really quick comparison what you can do with that Canon and what you can do with this wonderful camcorder. I was talking about how you cannot get close with that Canon. Look at that difference in that minimum distance to this camcorder. That is impossible, right, with that Canon, yet this Sony camcorders, you can get really close with them to that lens, right? As close as that 1 centimeter. Look how much detail you can record. That Canon, which is way more expensive, has no chance to compare with this. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. You find it interesting, maybe inspiring, and stay tuned. I have way more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.